AI won't ask for your job. It'll take your power bill. Yep. Because the new currency of work is not time, it's electricity. Think about that one for a second. Electricity, automations versus ownership. AI is now becoming more power hungry and demanding than Bitcoin mining. And I have to pay attention to that shift. It's very important and crucial in my industry because that shift is opening a door for small Bitcoin miners such as myself. And when I mean small, I mean less than 5 megawatts, which is 5,000 kilowatts. Every major shift in history replaced labor with energy. Think about the steam train, locomotive. It replaced muscle. Now AI is somewhat replacing thought, and it runs on megawatts. The question isn't, will AI take jobs? Who will own the machines that replace them? Huh? Who will own the equipment that replaces those jobs? That is something you gotta think about for a second, because it'll come quickly. Every algorithm needs a power source. That's common knowledge. I hope that makes sense to you by now. Right now, that power is controlled by a few. The same way banks controlled money, tech giants control IP, intellectual property, tech giants will control computation. But not every single type of computation. That's why Bitcoin mining, I'm glad that if you're able to build a small modular container, you're able to be part of that computation and it doesn't have to go to the big guys. And I'm happy about that. All to say, when you don't own power or power infrastructure, you're renting your future. Going back to Bitcoin mining, it's distributed energy ownership. At this point, if you have access to an energy source, you should monetize it with Bitcoin. Each machine is a tiny little AI factory that you control. I believe that in the future, AI will use Bitcoin as currency because it's literally tied into energy. It turns watts into wealth without permission. Bitcoin is permissionless. This is why I always emphasize on using it. I believe that this is how we decentralize power. Every unit of AI outputs start with a kilowatt hour. Artificial intelligence needs kilowatts, it needs megawatts. Therefore, the wealth gap won't be between coders and non-coders. Think about it. Take a second. It'll be between those who own energy, okay? Those who own energy infrastructure and those who buy it. Data centers are not tech startups. They're digital power plants. You see what I'm saying? You see where I'm going? That's right. They're digital power plants. They're hungry, they're beasts, they're machines that consume a lot of power. And in the age of automation, the machines don't care who they work for. They really do not give a damn. They will serve whoever owns the electricity. Fuck, that's crazy. I hope there's a way around concentrating all that wealth and power, right? Bitcoin. Anyways, that's what I mean. It can be you. You have to look at this new industry as something that can help you not being replaced. So that's why Bitcoin mining is super important. If you can, start learning it, start working in an industry that allows you to implement it. Don't wait to be replaced. Power the replacement. It's gonna happen regardless. So if you believe in owning your energy instead of renting your time, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. There's more videos like this coming. Flare gas to Bitcoin, how we're turning waste into daily cash flow. Very, very important. And on this note, be the owner of power. not the product of it. All right, see you guys.